You want to read it one by one out loud? We don't have music anymore.
We don't meet people by accident. They're meant to cross our path for a reason. The spaces between your fingers were created so that others could fill them in. Relationships last long, not because they're destined to last long, but because two brave people made a choice to keep it, fight for it, and work for it. And fight a lot. Sometimes someone comes into your life so unexpectedly, takes your heart by surprise, and changes your life forever. Let me love you, if not for the rest of your life, then for the rest of mine. I love you.
That's arts and crafts, Daddy.
Oh, yeah.
I want you to read that out loud. You know that long time ago, but that's a good one. I love it.
Baby Ko. 1 universe, 9 planets, 204 countries, 809 islands, 7 seas, and I have the privilege to meet you, and you are mine. Risa. Risa. One more.
Now that's... You saw this, you saw this.
I saw this.
Yep. Pictures, pictures.
Round 2. Let's start at
2000.
15? 16. 16. 16!
Okay, go.
You gotta do it in order.
Oh.
Nobu. The notorious Nobu. Where's that?
Nobu, diba?
Nobu as well?
Our first.
Nobu as well?
Yep.
Tricycle! Nope.
Nobu.
Nobu. Next. Airport.
Fight scene.
Fight scene.
Tagaytay.
Tagaytay. Bus.
Bus ride. Montecillo.
Montecillo.
Bulalo.
Bulalo. I'm so lucky
Yes, you are.
that I know someone that makes arts and crafts. Yay! 2018.
Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy.
Where's this?
Vietnam.
Vietnam. Oh, the white shirts.
Yep.
Someone gave yours away.
Airport.
Airport. Did we fight there? Nope. Temple.
Yep.
Where?
Hotel.
Which hotel? The one.
The one.
In Vietnam? French Quarter? Savoy.
Yep.
Where's baby girl?
She's not there. She's hero. Shenny.
She was there in the hotel, remember? You had to get extra time?
No, she do her own arts and crafts for you.
This is Montecillo.
Yep.
This is 2019? Oh, I did this one already. Where's 2019?
Here,
Pull it out.
please.
Please, pretty please. Taft Avenue, baby.
Yep.
This is
Zyke's birthday.
birthday atrium.
Breakfast. Atrium.
Atrium.
Zyke's birthday. Mall. MOA.
No, breakfast. Oh, Zach's birthday.
Yep.
Vietnam. Huh.
Atrium breakfast.
Atrium.
Atrium.
Taft Avenue, baby! Taft Avenue, 2500!
Okay, keep it.
Keep it forever in my heart. So blessed to have you.
I know. Keep it now.
Stop.